Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sinchana. Good evening, Yukti. I'll just message everyone to join.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening.
Sir, are you
Yes.
still in class?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So,
Sir,
will we have our physics offline class?
Not this week.
I also wanted to ask the same thing.
Sir, Saturday also, no? You're having physics class at Saturday.
Okay, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Jia. Good evening, Anya.
So, what will we do
Good
today?
evening. Good evening, Sinchana. Good evening, Kalshri.
Trigonometry.
Right. So I guess all of you remember where we left last
Yeah,
class.
sir.
Hannah? So can anyone tell me what we have studied in last class? Anyone?
Concept of unit circle.
Correct. Concept of unit circle. Very good. So I hope all of you remember concept of unit circle. Yes or no? Right?
Yes,
All
sir.
silver teacups. Wait, I'll just start recording. Okay, recording is on. Right. So which trigonometric ratio is positive in second quadrant?
So, silver, which means sine.
Sine
Sine
and
and cosecant. Cosecant.
cosecant. Correct. And for fourth quadrant,
So, cos and secant.
cos
Sir,
and
cos and secant.
Okay, very good, right? So all of you remember the concept
Yes, sir.
of unit circle. Okay. Yes. Right. Okay. Okay. So today we will be discussing another concept. Okay, along with some problem solving. Right? So let us rewind whatever we have studied till now. So till now we studied, good evening Karthikeya. Till now we have studied about basic trigonometric ratios, right? Basic trigonometric functions, which is sine, cos, tan. Then the value of some basic functions, right? Hai Then unit circle, right? Okay, right. Good evening, Tanushree too. Now, let me ask you one question. Let me ask you one question. Okay, suppose I'm talking about suppose this is your x and y coordinate. Okay, and okay, suppose this is your 30-degree, right? This is 30-degree, right? And okay, now if this is, suppose this is 10 unit, okay, 10 unit, this is A, B, C. Can you find AB? Can we find AB?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir, AB is perpendicular.
Yes.
Sir, AB, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, AB
Sir, what is the length of CB? Sir, what is the length of CB?
Length of CB?
10 unit.
10 unit, 10 unit.
Okay.
Sir, AB will be 90 degrees.
Yeah. This is 90, you know, this is 90, right?
Sir, right angle triangle.
Tell me. which trigonometric ratio you have to use? Perpendicular you have to find, and base is given, and this angle is given. Which trigonometric ratio I can use?
Sir, tan. Sir, tan.
Tan. Correct. Very good. So tan theta.
Sir, tan is equals to
30 degree.
perpendicular by base.
Correct. Very good. AB by BC.
Sir, AB by BC.
Very good. And do we know
Yes.
the value of tan 30 degree?
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
have to
sir.
remember, right? What's the value?
1/√3.
Sir,
1 by
1
root
by
3.
3. Yes, sir. 1 by 3.
1 by root 3. You know, we have to remember this, right? Now, AB we don't know, but do we know the value of BC?
Sir, yes, sir.
10.
Yes, sir. 10
10
unit.
Correct. So what is AB? Cross
Sir,
multiply.
Sir, 10 by. Yes, sir.
10/√3.
Correct.
Yes, sir. 10 by 2.
Okay. Right. So I hope all of you
Sir,
understood this. All of you understood this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute.
Okay. Now my question is this. I was obviously not going to ask this question. My question is this. Right? Suppose this is 30 degree. So can I say, sir, this angle is 90 degrees. Suppose this angle is Y. So can I say,
No,
sir,
sir,
this
it's
angle
not.
Y is 90 degree minus
No,
30
sir.
Yes, sir, you can
Nahin,
say.
no,
Yes, sir.
sir.
We can say.
Why not?
Sir, 90 minus 30.
Sir,
Complementary है ना ये total angle 90
yeah, sir. It's 90 degrees. So how
Complementary.
could it be
No, no,
90
no,
degrees?
no. I'm talking about this one.
Yeah,
Total
sir.
angle is 90. So what
Yeah, sir.
about
Then
Y?
it's 90 degrees.
Sir,
Sir, why 60 degrees?
Sir,
Correct.
60 degree.
Yes.
Sir,
So
why
can I
would
say,
it be?
sir, if this is X, this is Y, Y and X are complementary to each other?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Chalo. ठीक है. Very good. Now, if I take it as Y, right? If I'm taking this angle Y for this, and suppose this is O. So for this triangle OCB is 90 degree, right? है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this case, what is perpendicular? Tell me, for this
Sir,
triangle,
OC,
what is
sir,
perpendicular?
OC. Sir, OC.
OC is perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
Think about it. Again, think about it.
The CA is OA is
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
OA perpendicular, sir.
OA, correct. Yeah,
Yes,
right?
sir.
OA,
OA
na?
is
Because,
perpendicular.
yes,
Yeah, sir.
perpendicular one, है ना? Yes
Yeah,
or no?
sir. Aditya, mute yourself.
So perpendicular will be OA because the opposite is perpendicular, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Right? And
Yes, sir.
what about base? Base will be what?
Sir, OC.
Sir, OC.
OC, correct. So
Yes,
if
sir.
I ask you, what is the value of cos Y? Cos Y is equal to what?
Sir, cos 60 is equal.
No, I'm just talking about in terms of this OA/OB/OC. Cos Y is equal to
Sir,
what?
CO by CA.
CO by CA, yes, sir.
Yes, CO, because it will be what?
CO by
Base by
CA.
hypotenuse.
Yeah, sir.
This is-
Adjacent by
Yeah, sir.
hypotenuse.
Base
OC
by
by
hypotenuse.
AC, correct.
AC.
Very good. Right. And what about sin Y?
Sir,
Sir,
sin.
OA by AC.
Sir, OA by AC.
OA by AC. Awesome.
Sir, OA
Anyone have
by
any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, now let us take this triangle ABC. In this triangle, I'm considering this angle as X. So in this case, what is cos X?
Sir, cos X will be B by H. Sir, B by H, that is CB. Sir, CB by AB.
Correct. CB by
AB.
AC,
AB.
na? AC.
Ah, yes, sir. Sorry.
AC. And what about
Yes,
sin
sir,
X?
Sir, sin X will
Sin
be
X,
perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sir,
Sir, AB
perpendicular
by AC.
hypotenuse.
AB by AC.
Sir, AB by AC.
Correct. Right? Any issue in that? यहाँ तक
No,
समझ में आ
sir,
रहा
no
है?
doubt. No, sir.
Right? Now, tell me one thing. BC is equal to OA, yes or no?
Yes, sir. BC is equal to
Yes,
OA.
sir.
BC is equal to OA.
Yes, sir.
And
Correct.
OC is equal to AB?
OC.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir.
Now, tell me one thing. If you equate BC as OA, right? So don't you think, sir, sine Y is equal to OA की जगह मैं लिख रहा हूँ BC by AC, and BC by AC is cos X.
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Any issue in that?
No, sir. No doubt. Sir, can you scroll up
No,
and
sir, no
again,
doubt.
Yeah, I'll just scroll up, right? So can I say, sir, sine, now what is Y? This angle Y was what? 90 degree minus X,
Sir,
yes or
90
no?
degree minus X, yes, sir.
So can I say, sir, sine 90 degree minus X is equal to cos X, yes or
Sir,
no?
cos X.
Any issue in that? Any issue in
No,
that?
sir.
In the same way, if OA is equal to, what? Sorry, if OC is equal to what? AB. OC is equal
Yeah,
to
sir.
AB. Can I say, sir, sine
Sir, sin
X is equal to
sin
AB
X is equals to AB by
AC is equal to cos Y, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Right? And cos Y can be written as cos 90 degree minus X is equal to sin X. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Any issue in
Yes,
that?
sir.
यहाँ तक सबको
No,
समझ
sir,
में
no
आ रहा है?
issues.
जिया, तनुश्री, श्रेय,
No, sir.
Shreya,
No doubt, sir.
आदर्श, मधुर, रागिनी, युक्ति,
No doubt, sir.
संध्या,
No doubt,
Nihan,
sir.
No doubt, sir.
सानवी, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? I didn't give any topic name because I want you to understand, right? So, can I say, sir, this is something like complementary angle concept, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Right?
sir.
Or can I say, sir, sine and cos are complement of each other,
Yes, sir.
right? So in the same way, if I talk about tan, right?
Tan and
Tan 90 minus X should be equal to what?
sir, tan and
Cot
Cot,
Sir,
correct. Very good. Because,
cotangent, yes.
है ना? Cot X. Because tan and cot are complementary.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Because what is the meaning of complementary?
Sir, then
Perpendicular
tan
will
and
become,
cot-
so perpendicular will become base. Base will become perpendicular, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Like
sir.
it?
Correct.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
issue in that? Any issue in that?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
I will
No,
just
sir,
write
no
it down.
doubt.
Sir.
So I'll write like this. Sine 90 degree minus X is equal to cos X. Cos 90 degree minus X is equal to sin X.
Sin X. Yes, sir.
Tan 90 minus X
Cot X.
cot
Cot
X.
X.
और उल्टा भी मतलब रेसिप्रोकल का भी सेम होगा ना?
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Minus X.
Sir, then tan and cot are
Sec
supplementary.
X, right?
Complementary.
Sin का cosec. तो cos का sec, yes or no? In the same way, sec 90 minus X cosec X and cot 90 minus X tan X, yes or no? Any issue in that? Raise your hand. Any issue in that? Tell me. Right? So they're called as complementary angles. Right? Concept of complementary angles.
Sir, then tan and cos are complementary to each other.
Tan and cot, no, not cos, it is cot.
Yes, sir. Cot.
Okay. Anyone have any doubt in this? यहाँ तक note down कर लो.
No, sir, no doubts.
Note down कर लो यहाँ पे, है ना? आदित्य, अक्षित, बिंदु.
Sir, can you scroll up on that?
Yes, sir. Noting it down, sir.
हाँ. So I'll just scroll up यहाँ से.
Sir,
Everyone
quadrant.
got this? Why this is happening? Because perpendicular
Yes,
is becoming base and base is becoming perpendicular. Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When you take complementary angles.
Sir, noted.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, now tell me here, whatever angle that we are considering, right, is it in first quadrant or second quadrant? Tell me.
First.
First quadrant, right? Yes or no?
Sir.
Right, so the angle x that I'm considering, it is in first quadrant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, so 90 minus x is also in first quadrant. So this is for first quadrant. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let me take one more example, है ना? Coordinates ही समझेंगे हम लोग. Okay, now let us take this example. Think about it.
Sir, then that is concept of complementary angle.
Huh. Wait.
Please
Here,
put mark.
wait. Here, suppose this angle is x. Now this angle is x, right? And this whole angle is y.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Right?
x and y are supplementary to each other.
Yes. So in this case, x and y are supplementary. So y is what? Y is 180 degree minus x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any issue in that? Raise your hand.
No, sir, no doubt.
Now,
No, sir, no doubt.
okay. Now, tell me one thing. If I take this angle, right? If I take this angle or this complete angle, you know, right? Will my base and perpendicular change?
No, sir.
Will my base or perpendicular change?
No, sir, no.
No, it will not change. Yes or no? Yes or
No,
no?
sir. Perpendicular will not change.
Because perpendicular, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. Either you are taking x
Sir,
or you are
no,
taking
it will
complete
not
y.
change. Yes, sir. It will not change.
Correct. Because here angle is angle. If you take this angle is taken with respect to x-axis. Yes or no? This y is also taken with respect to x-axis.
Yes,
And this
sir.
x is also taken with respect to x-axis. Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes.
But if you see the previous problem, right? In this case, this angle y was taken with respect to which axis? Tell me. Y-axis.
Sir, why?
Yes or no? Y-axis. So I can say, okay, sir, if you are taking angle, you are taking angle with respect to which axis? तुम start कहाँ से कर रहे हो, है ना? So I can write down this, that if we take angle from x-axis, right? Perpendicular and base will not change. Yes or no? Yes or no? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? बिंदु, सिंचना, संध्या,
Yes, sir. Clear.
Purvi, Shrey,
Yes, sir,
Daksh?
clear.
Okay. So what's the meaning of that? If
Sir,
perpendicular and base is not changing, what's the meaning of that? Tell me. For example, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था? Perpendicular base बन गया, base perpendicular बन गया. That is why sin y, right? Sin y is changed into cos x. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Right? So here the ratio is changing, right? The ratio is changing because, tell me, angle was taken with respect to y-axis. Yes or no? Right? Because perpendicular was changing. Yes or no? अगर x की जगह y ले लिया मैंने, तो मेरा क्या हो गया? x की जगह y लिया, तो perpendicular और base change हो गए.
Sir,
That's why ratio
perpendicular.
is changing, right? But यहाँ पे दोनों x के रिस्पेक्ट में लिया गया है. दोनों ये भी है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इससे, और ये भी x से ही स्टार्ट हो रहा है, right? y से स्टार्ट नहीं होगा ना, तो यहाँ पे मेरा perpendicular और base change नहीं कर रहा है. Which means what? Tell me. Hence, ratio will not change. Yes or no?
Sir, ये तो पता है. Ratio will not.
मतलब क्या है? रेशियो चेंज नहीं, मतलब क्या? साइन,
Sir, sin.
y साइन ही रहेगा. समझ में आया? साइन y साइन ही रहेगा.
Sin y और sin x will be same.
नहीं, हम लोग देखेंगे क्या होगा. बट साइन साइन रहेगा, कॉस कॉस रहेगा, और टैन टैन रहेगा. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Any issue in that? Raise your hand. सबको समझ में आया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
युक्ति, अक्षित, कार्तिकेया.
No doubt, sir.
Okay,
No doubt, sir.
very good, very good. Jia, Sinchana, got it?
Sir, please
Okay.
follow up, sir.
Now, I'll take one example first. I'll take this, right? What is the value of sine y? है ना? अब ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. Right? Now, sine y. Now, y is 180 degree minus x. Y is 180 degree minus x. Y is the sine 180 minus x. So I will write like this: sine 180 degree minus x. Now, if you take this complete angle or this angle, right? Think about it. If you take this complete angle or this angle, right? है ना? Triangle तो यही बन रहा है ना? Triangle तो वही बन रहा है. ये होगा क्या? ये होगा, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. It will be what? AB by AC only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is AB by AC? Sir, x के हिसाब से भी तो यही है ना? Right? This is actually sin
Sir,
x.
AC
Yes or no?
AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the perpendicular.
Perpendicular. So either you are taking angle y or angle x. दोनों के लिए perpendicular AB ही होगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So sin 180 minus x is sin x. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Very good. But what about cos 180 minus x?
Sir, cos x.
तो देखो ये तो हो गया cos x, लिख दिया मैंने cos x. But यहाँ पे if you take this angle, right? If you take this angle, ठीक है, right? तो हम कैसे expect करते हैं? हम इधर expect करते हैं, है ना? Where x क्या है? X is less than 90 degree ना?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes.
जब हम बोल रहे हैं x क्या है? X is 0 to 90 के बीच में है. Yes or no? Think about it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So cos x का वैल्यू जो है वो पॉजिटिव होगा नेगेटिव? टेल मी.
Sir, negative.
Negative.
बट x का वैल्यू तो 0 से 90 के बीच में है ना?
Oh, yes, sir. It will be positive only.
It is positive. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Right? But what about cos 180 minus x? ये किस quadrant में है? So this is in first quadrant, right? But
Yes,
when you
sir.
talk about 180 minus x, this is in which quadrant?
Sir, second.
Second.
Second quadrant. और second quadrant में cos क्या होता है? Positive या negative?
Sir, negative.
Negative.
Negative
Sir,
होता है ना?
negative.
हम लोग को ना all slow
Yeah, sir.
Negative.
Yeah, sir. Sin and cosecant will be positive. Second.
Correct. अब बताओ क्या negative और positive equate कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं ना?
नहीं sir, same
Right,
signs होने से.
negative. Yes. So don't you think कि मुझे इसको भी negative बनाना पड़ेगा?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और कैसे बनाऊंगा मैं negative इसको?
Sir, cos y.
माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करके ना?
हाँ.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Right? मैं इसको नेगेटिव माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करके बनाऊंगा. लॉजिकली सोचो ना, तो देखो लॉजिकली होता है ये BC by AC होता है. Yes or no? Right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
BC का साइन क्या है? BC is positive or negative? BC जो है, right? ये जो है ये x नेगेटिव साइड में है ना? This is negative side, right? This is x positive side. Yes or no? Right, everyone? Right, everyone?
Sir, yes, sir.
है कि नहीं? तो I can say that sir, यहाँ पे cos 180 minus x, cos 180 degree minus x is equal to what? Minus cos x. Yes or no? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Now what about tan 180 minus x? So first tan will be tan only, right? है ना? Right? Now tell me this tan 180 minus x, second quadrant. 180 minus x is second quadrant, na? So it will be positive or negative?
Positive.
अरे tan second quadrant में tan क्या होता है? All silver tea
Negative. Negative.
negative, है ना? तो यहाँ भी मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? माइनस डालना पड़ेगा. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Any issues? Tell me. सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right? We are
Sir,
checking.
understanding.
हाँ, अब एक सवाल अपने से ट्राई करो. मैं पूछता हूँ तुमको. अगर मैं ये पूछ दूँ, sin 90 degree plus x, साइन 90 प्लस एक्स, तो ये जो है ये कौन से क्वाड्रेंट, विच क्वाड्रेंट?
Sir, second.
सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट,
Second quadrant.
सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट। एंगल जो है वो किस एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग लिया गया है? y के एक्स,
Sir, why?
y
Why?
y के अलॉन्ग लिया गया है, तो रेशियो चेंज हो जाएगा, सेम रहेगा?
Sir, ये तो
चेंज हो जाएगा।
चेंज हो जाएगा, तो साइन क्या बन जाएगा? साइन क्या बन
Sir,
जाएगा?
then sign will also change.
तो ये साइन क्या बन जाएगा?
Sir, minus.
कॉस ना,
Yes, sir. Cos, yes, sir.
राइट? सो इट विल बिकम cos x, है ना? बताओ सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन पॉजिटिव होता है नेगेटिव?
पॉजिटिव।
पॉजिटिव। तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव करने की जरूरत है?
नहीं सर।
नहीं, नहीं.
तो साइन 90 प्लस एक्स विल बी जस्ट cos x, yes or no?
Cos, yes, sir.
Okay, but if you talk about this cos 90 degree plus x, तो it is 90 के रिस्पेक्ट में किया गया है, तो cos क्या हो जाएगा? sin x, yes, but this is in second quadrant में cos क्या होता है? नेगेटिव, so minus sin x, yes or no? yes or no, right? सबको समझ में आना चाहिए, रटना नहीं है।
नहीं सर, नहीं रट रहे।
ओके, अब बताओ tan 90 प्लस एक्स क्या होगा? 90 y एक्सिस क्या होगा? माइनस cot x, वेरी गुड।
सर माइनस कॉट, यस सर।
डाउट
हाँ पूछो, क्या डाउट है?
सर, ये cos 90 प्लस एक्स सर, ये माइनस sin x कैसे हो गया सर?
देखो, पहले मैं बोला कि cos 90 प्लस एक्स है, तो 90 के रिस्पेक्ट में कर रहे हैं ना, एंगल किसके रिस्पेक्ट में? 90 के रिस्पेक्ट में।
यस सर।
तो 90 के रिस्पेक्ट में रहेगा, तो मेरा रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो जाएगा, यस और नो?
सर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो जाएगा।
ध्यान दो।
Aditya, mute yourself.
Okay. Right? So 90 plus x is actually this angle, no? Right? 90 plus x, this is 90 degree. और
Yes,
this is
sir.
x. तो यहाँ पे x किसके रिस्पेक्ट में लिया गया है? y के रिस्पेक्ट में, yes or no?
Fine.
तो बताओ 90
Yes,
प्लस
sir.
x के रिस्पेक्ट में लोगे तुम, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा क्या? परपेंडिकुलर। और ये हो जाएगा क्या?
Perpendicular और बेस
Base, sir.
Base.
समझ में आया? अब समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
राइट? बट 90 प्लस x ले रहे हो, तो वो तो x के रिस्पेक्ट में ऐसे ले रहे हो, right? That's why the ratio is changing, yes or no? Right? Okay. Now that's the first thing. So if you take angle with respect to y-axis, ratio will change, yes or no?
Yes sir, ratio will change.
And if we take respect to x-axis,
Sir, then also ratio will change.
ratio will be same, na?
Oh yes sir, I forgot. Yes sir. Sir, some background noise is coming from somebody. Sir, Yukti, mute yourself.
Okay guys, now it is fine.
Sir, no sir, from Yukti's background some cartoon noise is coming.
Okay. Right. So now focus here, right? So what is the meaning of x-axis? X-axis means either 180 degree, 0 degree or 360 degree, yes or no?
Yes sir.
And y-axis means 90 degree or 270 degree. Yes or no?
270.
Any issues?
Wait.
Okay. Now let us try to do some random ratio. Suppose if I ask you this, cos 270 degree minus x is equal to. Now first, what should be the first approach? Arav, what should be the first approach? Ratio will be same or it will change, right? So now the angle here is taken with respect to x-axis or y-axis?
X
X or y?
X.
270 degree है ना 270.
Yes, sir. It is taken in the respect of x.
Sir, why?
Sir, y axis,
Why,
sir.
sir,
Axis
why?
ना y axis, right?
Oh, yes, sir. It is from 90 and 270.
270, right? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
y axis के respect में ratio क्या होगा? Same की change?
Sir, change
Same.
होगा.
Change.
Sir,
Yes.
change.
So it will become what? Sin x.
Sir,
ना?
sin x. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Any issues on that? That's the first thing.
No, sir. No, sir.
Now,
No, sir, no
270
issues.
minus x, which quadrant?
Sir, 270 minus. Sir, third quadrant.
Third quadrant, because this is 270 degree. ये total 270 है. So 270 minus x is actually this angle. Yes or no? यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ ये वाला angle. Yes or no? Right? So this is third quadrant. Now in third quadrant, cos is positive or negative? Tell me. Negative. So here it should be positive or negative?
Negative.
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 Right? So cos 270 minus x should be equal to minus sin x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any issue in that?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. No issue.
No issues, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Let us do one more. Sin 270 degree plus x is equal to what? Tell me, Arav.
Sir, and will be minus.
First साइन के बारे में पहले मत सोचो, पहले सोचो रेशियो के बारे में, सेम और अपोजिट.
Sir, it will be. Sir, it will change.
Change, right? So sin will become
Sir, it will become
cos
cos.
x. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now sin, which quadrant? Which quadrant?
Minus
Third.
cos x.
Quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Third
Minus
quadrant.
Quadrant.
Minus
Quadrant.
x.
Sir,
Third.
third quadrant.
270
Yes,
plus
sir.
x. 270 plus x is third.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
270 plus x.
No, sir. No.
Fourth na.
Sir, it will come. Yes, sir. From 270 degree
270
to
plus x.
Sir,
Yes or no?
degree to
270
3.
plus x will be in fourth quadrant. Yes or no?
Sir, it will be in the range of 270 degree to 360 degree.
Correct. So that is your fourth quadrant na. 270 to 360 के बीच में. So,
Yes,
so
sir.
sign will be
Right.
positive or negative?
Sir,
Negative.
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 No, sir.
Negative na. Sign is negative. All silver teacups, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It should be negative. Clear हुआ ये चीज? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right? So let us. Okay, I'll just show you a whole table. ठीक है? I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who did not get this?
Sir, किसी का बैकग्राउंड से इतना
Wait, I'll just mute everyone for now.
Sir, it's Yukti.
please.
Okay. Right. So see this, right? है ना? So I told you, है ना? So I hope all of you understood this, right? So if we take the difference, with respect to x-axis, है ना? With respect to x-axis, right? Then the ratio will not change. But if we take angle with respect to y-axis, then ratio will change, है ना? So for first quadrant, all positive, sine, cos, tan is positive, right? But for second quadrant, sine positive, third quadrant, tan positive, fourth quadrant, cos positive, all silver teacups, okay, right? So यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने, this is another notes, right? So we know that y-axis, if it is the reference angle is y-axis, which is 90 degree or 270 degree, the ratio will change. If it is x-axis, which is 180 or 360, the ratio will not change. It will be same, right? So these are some examples. 180 plus theta, 180. If it is 180, ratio will be same. Sine का sign रहेगा. Now which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third लिखा हुआ है third. Negative, negative. Cos, negative. But tan in third quadrant is positive and negative. Okay, I'll allow you guys to unmute yourself. Right. Okay. Now tell me. $180 now, 180, see, 180, right? It will be same. है ना? क्या लिखा मैंने? It will be same, right?
Yeah, sir.
है ना? I wrote this, right? See, got it? Any issues? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
No,
Right?
sir, no issues. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I ask you what is the value of sine 150 degree? Sine 150 degree. So first of all, when you talk about sine 150 degree, do we know the value of sine 150 degree? No,
No,
we
sir.
do, right? But we do know value of sine 60 degree
Yeah, sir.
or sine 30 degree, yes or no? We know the value of this. So can I write sine? So this is a problem, right? How to find this value? But can I write like this? Sir, it can be written as either 180 degree minus 30 degree, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Or I can write it as 90 degree plus 60 degree. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Now, what is sine 180 minus 30? I told you, right? Sine 180 minus 30. So ratio will change or it will be same? Tell me, Bindu, Arav?
So it will be same, sir.
Same.
Just that we are splitting them in two terms.
Sine, correct. Now this is which quadrant? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive or negative?
Sir, positive.
Positive. So it will be positive as it is. No issues? Okay. Now, if you take this angle, so here reference is 90 degree. So if I take reference as 90 degree, the ratio will be same or change?
Sir, it will be same, sir.
No, sine 90 degree ना. If I'm taking
Yeah, sir. हाँ, sir. इसमें change हो जाएगा.
Change हो जाएगा. So it will become cos. Cos 60 हो जाएगा. Yes or no? Right? And second quadrant में sine positive होता है तो positive रहेगा. Now what's the value of sine 30 degree? Tell me. I hope all of you know. 1/2. Yes or no? Right? And what's the value of cos 60 degree? It is also 1/2. So
Yeah,
दोनों
sir.
same है ना? Same है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now you got this? Yes or no? Raise your hand. Right? Okay. So if I ask you find the value of sine 750 degree. ठीक है? Tell me, sine 750 degree. How to do that? सोचो एक बार.
So sine 360 plus 360 plus 20. I mean, sir.
Correct.
Sir?
Yes, yes. I'm just waiting for answers.
Okay, sir.
So we know, right? After one whole revolution, the angle will become 0 only. Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ कि नहीं? Yes or no? है ना? So 750. Can I write? So 750 is actually what? 360 degree into 2 plus 30 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ है ना? So what's the meaning of 360? Sir, एक बार पूरा चक्कर लगा लिया, दूसरी बार भी चक्कर लगा लिया, right?
फिर 30
With
degrees.
So tell me, this is equal to what? This is
750.
what? Same, yes or no?
Yeah,
so this
sir.
is actually sine 720 degree plus 30 degree. Now this is x axis or y axis. 720 is with respect to x axis or y axis. 720 is 360 into 2 now.
Yeah, sir.
So this will become what? Just sine 30 only,
Yeah, sir.
which is 1 by 2 only.
Yes, sir. 1 by 2 only,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Exactly. Very good. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand.
सर आप ऐसा क्यों करते हो सर? पहले बोलते हो क्लियर है तो रेज हैंड करो, फिर डाउट है तो रेज हैंड रेज करो। सर ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ता है।
ठीक है, आदत हो गया है। ठीक है, चलो। Right. Now, how to use this? Let us see. How many of you are smart? So first of all, you have to remember the value. है ना? Value तो याद रहना चाहिए। और value कैसे याद रहेगा? याद है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? है ना? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. Under root, right? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Or this is the value of sine. Yes or no? ऐसे याद रहना चाहिए, right? You have to remember at least this value. Cos का फिर उल्टा हो जाएगा, right? So you have to remember the value in order to solve any problems. ठीक है, right? No बिंदु ನನಗೆ कन्नಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
हाँ सर, कन्नड़ा नहीं आता बोल रहे हो, कन्नड़ा में बोल रहे हो। सर ये तो मैं दूसरों के साथ करता हूँ सर, आप हमारे साथ कर रहे लग के।
हाँ सर, आशीष सर भी ऐसे ही करते हैं।
हम तो दूसरों के साथ करते।
Okay. So how to solve this problem? Now, how to use these things? Now think about it. Suppose एक सवाल दिया गया, देखते कितने लोगों के पास common sense है.
Sir, I heard Pintu.
Right? Think about it. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? देखते कितने लोगों के पास दिमाग है, कॉमन सेंस. Sin 1 degree into sin 2 degree into sin 3 degree dot dot into sin 180 degree is equal to what? देखते कितने लोगों के पास दिमाग है. आंसर देख के बोलेगा सर धोखा है सर.
सर इसका आंसर मैंने चैट में भेजा है सर, करेक्ट है क्या?
हाँ, चैट में भेजो. गलत है निकेतन. यस, अभी बताया ना मैंने तरुश्री, sin 180 को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे.
पता नहीं चल रहा है सर,
इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ. There is a difference between information and knowledge, right? मैंने तुमको information दिया है ना, अभी तक मैंने जो बोला that is the information. How to use that information to solve a problem is knowledge, right? Is your intuition. जो सीखना है ना, because ये information तो कहीं भी मिल जाएगा, but how to use this information? मैंने हिंट भी दे दिया था by the way.
सर फिर से दो सर.
नहीं, you have to be observant. Think about it, everyone. Think about it. सोचो एक बार. The answer is actually very simple. Very good, Purvi. Very good. You have solved by yourself, na Purvi? Very good. Yes, Niketan, that's correct. Ananya, very good.
नहीं सर कैसे? सर ये आंसर दिमाग में आ गया सर बस.
How? I'll ask you how.
हाँ सर पूछो.
The answer is very easy. Everyone, think about it.
So how, sir?
हाँ मैं बताऊँ ना, दक्ष या गेटिंग दक्ष आदित्य,
सर पता चल गया सर, बहुत
आंसर इज एक्चुअली वेरी इजी। सिद्धार्थ,
हाँ
सर
सर।
नहीं
सर ये तो
आंसर
सर ये तो आइडेंटिटी यूज हो गया सर, रेशनल नंबर्स का।
नॉट आइडेंटिटी, थिंक अबाउट इट।
सर वो सिंपल
साइन,
सर
सर
आप
मैं
ही
चैट
बोल
में
दो
भेजता हूँ।
सर।
व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 0 डिग्री? टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 0 डिग्री? बताओ, अभी मैंने पूछा sin 0 की वैल्यू कितना होता है?
सर
Zero
मुझे
होता है।
शायद आंसर
Zero.
पता चल गया सर, 1 मिनट सर मैं भेज रहा हूँ।
करेक्ट। सो sin 180 प्लस
ये
0
जीरो सर। सर मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
sin 0, yes or no? sin
हाँ
180
सर।
degree is actually sin 0 degree, yes
हाँ
or
सर।
no? तो ये
हाँ सर, और एनीथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय जीरो इज जीरो, सो
this is actually 0, right? So anything
या
multiplied
सर,
by 0 will become 0 only.
जीरो।
Got it?
सर मैंने चैट में भेजा तो सर आपने पढ़ा किया।
Correct. Yes, Adarsh. Very good, Siddharth. Got it? Now got it, everyone? Tell me.
Yes sir.
Okay. Yes
Sir,
or
this
no?
was really an easy but tricky question.
Yes. Now, if I ask you this, right? Cos 2 degree into cos 4 degree into cos 6 degree dot 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 cos 100 degree is equal to, tell me. Cos 2 degree into cos 4 degree into cos 6 degree dot 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 cos 100 degree. संध्या, अभी तो मैंने बताया ना संध्या, sin 180 degree is equal to sin 0 degree ना, sin 180 degree is sin 180 degree plus 0 degree, which is sin 0 degree only. Yes or no? Got it? Okay. Yes. Akshit, cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Cos 0 degree is not equal to 0. ठीक है? Cos 0 degree is equal to 1.
Sir, is my
Right? How? The answer would be 0. Obviously, the answer would be 0. But the question is how? How it will be 0?
So can I?
Wait, I'll ask Daksh. Daksh, can you tell me how it will be 0? Tell me. Arav, can you tell me, Arav, how it will be 0? Bindu, Sandhya?
सर आई आल्सो सर डिड नॉट गेट सर, बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है सर।
So
Yes,
easy है.
Gia, it is visible now. So see, if you see this, here all the angles are even angles, right? 2, 4, 6, dot 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 100. Yes or no?
So can
Right?
I tell?
तो बीच में करेक्ट श्राव्या, तो बीच में कहीं ना कहीं 90 आएगा कि नहीं आएगा?
So
बीच
can I
में
tell?
हाँ सर।
90 degree आएगा. And what is the value of cos 90 degree?
So 0.
जीरो।
So everything multiplied by 0 will become
जीरो।
correct. Easy enough. Yes or
हाँ
no?
sir.
Right? Okay. Any issues in this?
No sir.
Okay.
नो
Till
सर।
now, what we
नो
have
सर,
studied?
इतना इजी कॉन्सेप्ट।
Basic ratios and complementary angles. है ना? ये दो चीज हम लोगों ने सीखा है. Right? Now, since today's class is just 1 hour class, we will play one Kahoot. है ना? After this,
So
I will
why
give
only
you
1 hour class?
Sir, can we sir have sir like 5 minutes sir nice talk time sir like we always have a
not
bit.
not today because I'm having another class at 8.
Sir,
Sir,
there's
and,
something
sir,
sir I want
and
to
I
say,
had
sir.
a
Please sir.
request sir.
चलो ठीक है, पहले Kahoot.
Sir, I want to sir say something very urgent sir.
If an angle of a complementary of itself, then the value of angle is super easy. Super easy. ये हम लोगों ने कर रखा ऑलरेडी.
सर आपने तो इतना इजी क्वेश्चन दे दिया है, ये तो सर ये मतलब कॉमन सेंस।
हाँ सर।
अभी इतने लोग गलत हुए देखो. More than half of the students are wrong. Adarsh,
Sir, it is
Complementary.
45 degree.
Right?
Yes.
ये हम लोगों ने किया ना? Right?
हाँ सर, ये तो हमने
X
7th में भी किया है.
Yes, x plus x is 90 degree, right? What is x?
Yeah sir, x is equal to 90 by 2, 45 degrees.
Easy enough. तब भी तीनों गलत कर दिए है कि नहीं? Got it?
हाँ सर.
Next. Tan 65 degree by cos 25 degree. Let us see कितने लोगों से बनता है ये. 1 minute. ये तुक्का मार रहे हैं. 6 लोग तुक्का मार रहे हैं. It should take at least 30 seconds.
Says mine correct.
Solve. You have to solve.
So mine was correct now, sir. I sent in the chat.
Now tell me, others, how you solved it? How you solved it? Tell me, others.
To be frank, I just cuss.
How? Tell me, what is the value? What is tan? Tan is what? Sine by cos? Yes or no? Into 1 by cos 25 degree.
25.
Now, what is sine 65 degree? Sine 90 minus 25 degree. Yes or no? Or sine 90 minus 25 is equal to what? Tell me. Ab batao. Sine 90 minus 25 is what?
75.
Right?
सर 65 सर 100 से माइनस कर दिया.
अरे sin 90 minus 25 तो sin 65 ही है ना, तो दोबारा लिखने की क्या फायदा?
हाँ सर.
cos 25 ना, sin cos में हो जाएगा 90 डिग्री है तो cos 25. yes or no? Right? Got it? तो sin 65 is
तो
cos
cos कट हो जाएगा और cos 65 sec के 65 हो जाएगा.
yes, ये कट हो गया और 1 by cos 65 is sec 65. yes or no? Got this? Everyone
Yes,
got
sir.
this?
सर एक सेकंड.
जिया, युक्ति, दक्ष, अनन्या, श्राव्या, निकेतन, संध्या, प्रिया,
Yes sir.
अनुश्री, रजत.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arav, you got this, Arav? Adarsh,
Yes, sir.
note करो. यूज करना है ना, यूज करना है, right? Okay. Next. Tan 48 degree minus cot 42 degree. देखते कितने लोगों से बनता है. तुक्का नहीं. नो तुक्का. नो इनी मिनी वाइनी में. The answer is A. How A? Now अभी मैंने बताया tan 48 degree. Think about it. Is equal to what? Tan
सर
90 minus
90
what?
degrees 52.
42 ना.
हाँ सर.
And tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what? 90 है. तो tan क्या होगा? चेंज कर जाएगा. 42 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? So this is actually cot 42 only. Cot 42 minus cot 42 कितना होता है?
0.
0. Got this? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Everyone, raise your hand. Got this?
सर देखा सर, आपने फिर से बोला रेज योर हैंड.
Okay.
सर एक आंसर आ भी गया.
सर 3 लोग ने तुक्का मारा है.
ये तुक्का है.
हमारे
3 लोगों ने
से
तुक्का है.
तुक्का मारा.
सॉल्व करो
सर
ना.
पहले सेकंड पे एक आंसर आ गया सर.
That is तुक्का. That is not. It will
जिसने
take
भी
at least 30 seconds. It will take at least
जिसने
30
भी
seconds.
तुक्का मारा है वो हाथ उठाओ. बाप रे सर, सबके हाथ ऊपर है. सबने तुक्का मारा है. ये उम्मीद नहीं थी सर मुझे.
सर वो आपने बोला था, जिसका भी हो गया हाथ ऊपर करो.
Okay, let's see the answer. सिर्फ 5 लोगों का सही है. सिर्फ 5 लोगों का. कैसे? कैसे? अब ध्यान दो एक बार. सबको ध्यान दो. राइट? ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है. साइन और ये कॉस है. आर दे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री? यस और नो? यस और नो? साइन y इज इक्वल टू कॉस x. अगर ऐसा होता है तो हैव वी स्टडीड सर x प्लस y शुड बी 90 डिग्री? हाँ या ना? हाथ चालू. हाँ या ना? देखो हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट उसी से किया था ना. स्टार्ट उससे किया कि नहीं किया? टेल मी. राइट? साइन y इज इक्वल टू कॉस x. Tell me, sin y is equal to cos x, right? So if sin y is equal to cos x, then x plus y is 90. Got this? अब बन जाएगा सबसे. अब बन जाएगा सबसे. So here, what is x? X is what? 2a plus this is what? A plus 3, a plus 30, and this is equal to 90 degree. Tell me. So 3a is equal to what? 3a is equal to 60 degree. So a is equal to 20 degree. Easy enough? You tell me, easy enough? Right? Okay. Last question.
सर कितना इजी है. एक जन ने पहले ही तुक्का मार दिया. 3 लोगों ने. 4 लोग. सर बहुत इजी है.
सर आप बोल रहे थे ना सर होम स्कूल पे वीडियो बना के भेजना है. तो
मैं बताता हूँ.
मतलब
मैं बताता हूँ
सर
पहले.
मैंने आपका वेबसाइट विजिट किया सर. वहां पे एक दीदी थी कि छोटी थी, मुझे नहीं पता. उसने तो मैसेज टाइप में लिखा है सर. वैसे भी कर सकते हैं क्या सर?
ये पहले ये सवाल को जवाब दो पहले.
हाँ सर दे दिया.
एक सही और सब गलत है. ठीक है? क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? क्या कर रहे हो? नाक कटवाओगे मेरा?
सर वो कहाँ है सर? कौन बोल रहा था सर? वो रजत. बहुत इजी है, बहुत इजी है.
रजत जवाब देगा, बताओ रजत क्या आंसर, कैसे आंसर होगा? एक छोड़ सब गलत।
सर वो निकेतन
क्या है सर
ने
ये?
बोला था सर।
निकेतन ने बोला था, सॉरी निकेतन ने बोला था।
सर नहीं समझ
सर
आता
मैंने
सर,
क्या
दोबारा
बोला था
कीजिए।
सर? सर मेरा इधर आंसर गलत है, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला।
बहुत इजी है, बहुत इजी
tan
है।
60 का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज tan 60? tan 60 वैल्यू क्या
सर
होता है?
1/cot।
tan 60
1
अरे
by
वैल्यू
cot।
क्यों तुम लोग करो? tan 60
ओ
वैल्यू क्या होता है? √3, यस और नो? डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट करना है इनटू 1 by cot 30 का वैल्यू क्या होता है? टेल मी, cot 30 वैल्यू क्या होता है? cot 30 is 1 by tan 30 which is also √3. √3 into √3 क्या होता है? 3, बस
3।
काम खत्म। ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने लगे तुम लोग, राइट? है ना? ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने लगे, राइट? जहाँ पे तुमको
सर चेक करो सर कौन फर्स्ट आया सर।
ऑलरेडी वैल्यू पता है तो क्यों क्यों तुम लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री यूज कर रहे हो? ऑलरेडी वैल्यू पता है तो देखें कौन फर्स्ट है।
अरे सर
निकेतन 2 out of 5, सिद्धार्थ 3 out of 5। फर्स्ट कौन है?
आदर्श।
नहीं सर मैं 4th आया सर।
ओके राइट। सो गाइस याद करना है, सारा फॉर्मूलाज रिवाइज करना है, ठीक है? राइट ओके